leaders over here in this room. I am not a college student. My academic background reflects in law and political science. As Minister for IT today, and also for industries, I see every day the finance today is not, today I would like to say the finance today is not just about numbers. It is about the shaping of the future enterprises. Before this era, as we are entering, everybody knows it, we are entering into a different sphere of technology now. Before this sphere of the next generation cutting edge technologies, CFO, as everybody would define, CFO would be the Chief Financial Officer, if I'm right. Who would be the guardian of balance sheets, compliances, and the financial discipline. You know, when any enterprise is looked upon, the enterprise is definitely looking at its CFO. The financial discipline plays a major role. And now, as we are entering into the next stage,